Please make sure the package can easily fit through your doorway and elevator to ensure a smooth delivery. 2 people are required to carry this product. No jumping or climbing on the product. Open the box where you want to install the product. Keep small children or pets away during installation. Do not open with a sharp object. Do not modify, disassemble product. Check that no parts are missing. Please refrain from sharing the electrical power source with large appliances. Use on flat flooring. Do not throw away the fuse. Do not lift the footrest up to move the product. Turn off when not in use. The ELIZA massage chair consists of 1 box. Due to the risk of injury, please wear gloves. Please check the position of the handles on both sides of the box and use the handles when moving the product. Start by removing the box straps using scissors. After removing the box straps, lift the box carefully from both sides. Remove internal accessories. Check the components of ELIZA located under the cushion. Move the product to the installation space by holding the back of the chair and the bottom side plate. Do not grab the chair by the top, by the reclining seat or by the legs as you might drop it. You can also move the chair to your desired location using its rear wheels, by gently lifting the front up. Take out the power cable from the product accessories. Connect the power cable to the port at the bottom back of the product and turn the power button on. Check whether the product is working properly. And you are set.